In this video, I will show you how to order Uber Eats with Uber Cash. So if you have recently topped up your Uber Cash and you want to use it as payment method for any restaurant, what you can do is you can first head over to any restaurant that you want to order into. For example, we have this one. So let's add this right here. And then let's add the store cart. And then just add anything that you want and click on done. Now just add this right here and then you can view your cart. Now from in there, just click on this go to checkout. And in here we have the Uber Cash as payment method. So you can select that as your payment method right here. Now as you can see, you can place this order right here. Now if you see that you don't have enough money for a Uber Cash, you can go right here to your account, go to your wallet, then go to the Uber Cash, and then you can top up or add funds from in here. So that's how you order Uber Eats with Uber Cash. I hope this video helped you out.